Welcome to my YouTube channel Hansraj Marathi Zindabad. Today I am going to Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary. At present I am in Kokare, Bellaru, and from there I am proceeding towards Ranganthittu. This Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary is spread across an area of 67 square kilometers. Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary is located at a distance of 19 kilometers from Mysore city and about 128 kilometers away from the city of Bangalore. It is at a distance of just 5 kilometers from the Srirangapatnam, laying beautiful on the banks of river Kaveri. This sanctuary is the home of some of the most beautiful birds. Now this is the gate of Ranganthittu, but this is not the entrance gate for four-wheelers. You have to take left turn to enter into a parking area, and now I have entered in parking area. I will park my vehicle in a parking slot, and then afterwards we will proceed towards the ticket window. The ticket here is 75 rupees for per adult and 600 rupees for cameras. So I will have to take ticket for both, and then we'll enter the Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary. I have parked my car and will buy ticket. Now this Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary, this name is after Hindu god Sri Ranganatha Swami, who is an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. This bird sanctuary is spread across an area of 40 acres. A small dam across the Kaveri river led to the formation of Ranganthittu. It was because of world-renowned ornithologist Dr. Salim Ali's determination and ability to convince the then Mysore Maharaja that Ranganthittu was declared as a protected area. He, while surveying the area, noticed a wide variety of birds here, and hence highlighted the importance of the declaring this area as a bird sanctuary. Comprising 6 small islands, this place was declared as a bird sanctuary in year 1940. Now, this bird sanctuary also offers picturesque setting. As you enter the area, you will find huge spread of bamboo trees throughout the path. You can see various boards with pictures and names of the birds that can be spotted here. There is also a facility of small canteen near the lake. However, there is no facility of accommodation here, so tourists are required to either stay at Mysore or Srirangapatnam.
दुसरा मोबाईल नवीन वाला कुठे ठेवला? अच्छा तो ह्याच्यात
नवीन ते तिकीट दाखवावं लागेल बघा ते कुठे ठेवलं
टी शर्ट इथे पक्षी.
Now proceeding towards the boating area. I have purchased ticket of boating and
तिथे टोकावर आहेत
we are going towards the boating.
सावली.
Some of the birds that you can spot here are shag, white ibis, little egret, little cormorant, open-billed stork, spoonbills, painted storks, white ibis, river tern, darter, peafowl, pond heron, wild ducks, large cormorants, kingfisher, cattle egret, and mainly here you can watch spot-billed pelican and a painted stork. Now from here you can see the trees
तिकीट दाखव
and the nestings of various birds. Particularly at present
सापड पाहिजे
the
ह्याच्यामध्ये.
breeding season of pelican has finished. There are small chicks of pelicans and the nesting of painted stork has started. So egg laying process will be there and you can see big pelicans here. It is best to take a boat ride in the morning to witness the unparalleled natural beauty of the area. It is also ideal so as to avoid the crowd during the day. Now you can see the pelicans. There are juvenile pelicans, grown-up pelicans, and all types of pelicans. So from the boat, after entering the boat and going to boating, you can even witness the crocodiles laying here and there, taking sun bath. So various things you can watch from boating. Now about spot-billed pelicans. Grey pelican is a member of the pelican family. It breeds in southern Asia, from southern Iran across India east to Indonesia. It's a bird of large inland and coastal waters, especially large lakes. At a distance, they are difficult to differentiate from other pelicans in the region, although it's a smaller but a close range of spots on the upper mandible. The lack of bright colors and the grayer plumage are distinctive. In some areas, these birds nest in a large colonies close to human habitation. Now we are entering into boat and soon the boating will start. Now more about the spot-billed pelicans. This pelican is a rather large water bird, often the largest or one of the largest native birds in the southern stretches of its range. It's 125 to 152 centimeters long and weight of 4 to 6 kg. The wingspan can vary from 213 to 250 centimeters, that is up to 7 feet to 8 feet. While the typically large beak measured from 285 to 355 millimeters, and it's mainly white with a grey crest, hind neck, and a brownish tail. The feathers on the hind neck are curly and form a grayish nap crest. The pouch is pink to purplish and has large pale spots and is also spotted on the sides of the upper mandible. The tip of the bill is yellow to orange in breeding plumage. The skin at the base of the beak is dark and the orbital patch is pink. In flight, they look not unlike the Dalmatian pelican, but the territorials and inner secondaries are darker and a pale band runs along the great coverts. Tail is rounder. So now the newly hatched youngs are covered in white down. They then molt into a grayish speckled plumage. The spots on the bill appear only after a year. Now we are enjoying the boating. These pelicans are found to breed only in peninsular India, Sri Lanka and Cambodia. A few birds from India are known to winter in Gangetic plains, but reports of its presence in many other parts of the region such as Maldives, Pakistan and Bangladesh has been questioned. The main habitat is in a shallow lowland freshwaters. Now here you can see the grown up one pelicans and juvenile one. The spot-billed pelican is not migratory but are known to make local movements and are more widely distributed in the non-breeding season. The specific This species is a colonial breeder, often breeding in the company of other water birds. The nests are on low trees near wetlands and sometimes near human habitation. Many larger breeding colonies have been recorded and several have disappeared over the times. We have seen one of the colony in Kokare Bellaru in my last video. Here again we can observe the pelicans and the movement of his pouch. He uses this pouch to catch a fish while flying on water. Here in Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary, there are so many nests and colonies on the trees. So you can watch them. चला हो You can also watch crocodiles. One of the crocodile you can see now here. They are swimming. Some of them are resting. So now you can see this one, a big crocodile taking sun bath. Now this another crocodile is also seen here swimming. There are actually so many crocodiles here.
ಇದು ಬಂಡೆನಾ
He is Ram. हा तो बघा हे बघा ओपन बिल
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏರ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು
Now you can see this spoonbill duck. His bill is like a spoon. He has a crest and yellowish part under the chin. Now we will return back and we will proceed towards the canteen facilities here. We will have some tea and food, and then afterwards we will both proceed to Mysore by my car. Here there are so many other birds also, if you patiently watch them. Now If you like this video, kindly subscribe, share and like, and give me comments. I welcome your comments, suggestions on my video, and this I have made in English. My further video will be in Marathi. So your comments are welcome. What do you think about the length of the video, the quality of photography, and many different aspects? So up till now, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel so that you will get further notifications of my further videos. Thank you for watching this video up till end. And this is a squirrel, palm squirrel it is called. She jumps from here to there very fast. She has gone. So thank you for watching this video up till end. See you in next video. Bye bye.